Did you know that you've got the flexibility to use the key fob in order to roll the windows up and down inside of the Mustang Mach-E? It's a really straightforward process. Let me show you how it's done. And doing it is actually very straightforward. So in order to unlock them, or roll them down I should say, we're going to press the unlock button twice. On that second button press, you're going to hold. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold. Down they go. We can press the lock button to stop it part way, and then we just double button press again in order to keep it going. You can see there, and down they go, and that is as far down as the back windows go. And then rolling them back up is just as simple. So we press the lock button twice. On the second button press, we're going to hold. So we're going to go 1, 2, and hold. See those powers folding side view mirrors, and up these things go. Same idea, we can press the unlock button part way in order to pause it, or we just press that lock button again twice in order to complete the process. So that was pretty neat, right? I love how simple it is. And one of the great things about that global up and down is that it is going to be standard across the Mach-E lineup. Now here's the kicker. It might not be enabled, so you actually have to go through the middle screen in order to be able to turn it on. And if for whatever reason it's not coming up in any of your other Ford vehicles, it may be there as an option. Talk to your dealer first to see if they're willing to enable it for you. If they're not, you could look at an app called ForScan. And it's an amazing app. It's a little bit technical to use, but there are some great tutorials that are available here on YouTube that you can watch. But you do have the flexibility of potentially enabling the windows up and down if it's not available as an option inside of your vehicle. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up, share it with your social networks. And until I see you next time, take care.